Hi, I am Dr. Deepesh Srivastava. I am faculty in the area of Information Management and Data Science and MBA Program Chair at IMT Dubai. This one-year MBA program is accredited by Commission for Academic Accreditation, the accreditation body of Ministry of Education in UAE, which ensures the highest standard of education, and making this program is one of the popular postgraduate program in UAE. One of the unique features of this MBA program at IMT Dubai is the opportunity to work while you learn. Students get immediate opportunity to apply their knowledge at the workplace. Students learn from top research professionals and faculty from leading universities across the globe. Various internship, workshops and industry-oriented dissertation help students to gain high-value industry skills. Apart from these things, IMT Dubai has a large and diverse alumni network, and students interact with these alumni over the network meets, leadership program and mentorship programs. As the program chair and faculty, it is my pleasure to invite you all in this journey and looking forward to seeing you on campus here.